Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to reinstall a new stud on a hub assembly. Here we got our hub, it's off the vehicle. We're going to use a hammer right here to hammer these out. And you never want to use a hammer when the hub is on the vehicle if you're going to replace the stud on the vehicle. Because what it'll do is it'll damage the ball joints, the bearings in there. It's not good. Avoid that. Camera set up here. Get a nice view of this top stud here. Okay. What I'm going to do is we're going to tap this out. Out it came. Right here. So right here it's got a little tapered end that sits right inside of the actual bearing, or the slot itself. Look inside of there. Inside of there it's got the little grooved areas as well. You can see that. So that's where it's going to sit, and that keeps it from rotating itself. Alright, so now we're going to put a new one in. And you do not use a hammer putting the new one back in. What you want to do is you're going to stick it through there, you're going to pull it, then you're going to use one of the lug nuts. You're going to put that on there. And what this does, this allows us to pull it through without hammering on the back of it, without ruining the surface or putting in jeopardy of bending any other components. What we're going to tighten this up now. And typically, you're going to have a torque spec that you're going to want to follow. That'll tell you how much torque to put on it. I think I read something right around 30 to 40 foot-pounds on this. You're going to want to do this until this area right here, in between where my finger is, this area right here is flush. And right there, snug, probably went a little over in torque, but honestly, it isn't going to damage it any. I mean, if you put too much torque on it, it's obviously going to stretch the threads in the bolt more than it needs to. But in this case, this is just a this is a dummy hub and lug nut to show you how to properly do it. After you do that, if say it's broken or it's stripped or you've cross-threaded because of the lug nut, you just take this off, or you can do it on the vehicle. It's that easy. If you end up having to do it the other way, just remember, do not use the hammer when that's on the vehicle. It can damage the different suspension and steering components. So hopefully that helped. We'll see you guys in the next video.